what you think?
5 boom, 3 bunning. Hi. Hi guys. Okay, so honestly I decided that to do something to spice up the vlog. I hope you guys are hearing me. The TV is so loud. I'm so sorry, it's news time. Okay, I miss Julius. But anyways, I decided to prank my daddy. So the last time I did prank him, I pranked him that I'm pregnant and all of that, and my auntie threw me out and all of them things there. But he bite and it was so nice, but I accidentally lost the footage, so you guys did not get to see that so funny prank. I like prank them. No make no sense compared to that, you understand? But this night I decided to do one more on him. You get me? He told me that I won't be able to catch him any more times after this, but let's see, daddy, let's see. I'm going to pretend to be someone that works in, what I can say, a supermarket. I'm going to come from this, you know. Let's see, Bash. No, I can't do that. Yeah, I'm going to just tell them somebody I want a supermarket and my shoplift. 10 items, 3 boom. But that's like I work it on my finger then to make sure I got 10. But this is going to be feisty. Yeah, I know I'm going to call me and about that things. Sorry, something about me. Anyways, so hopefully that work and all them things there. But this is what your father said and all that. It's like so. So I'm going to call him right now. I have a little bit of credits, borrow credit too. If you know digital can borrow little credits. So that I'm going to do what. Let's go before my 4 minutes, literally 4 minutes, because I started the vlogs and they didn't send to my laptop and all that. So let's go. You think I should private the number? I'm going to private the number. I don't know why I'm questioning it. Like, if I did not private the number, it would obviously know, say, you know, they never come. Guys, I got the TV to turn on a little bit. I am extremely nervous. Let's go. What am I gonna say again? Oh.
Hello?
Hi, good night.
Yeah?
Good evening. This am I speaking to Danielle's Davis' father?
Yeah, so why the number private?
Oh, because I wasn't certain. This girl have been giving me a wrong number from all evening. Okay. I've been trying to get a number, but from evening she has given me wrong numbers. Okay, so I want to call because Dainelle had did a little shoplifting this evening.
Dainelle what?
She shoplift.
She split?
She shoplift.
I don't hear you.
She stole a few of our items at the Walton Park supermarket this evening.
Where she go? Walton Park?
Stole some goods from out of our supermarket.
Yeah? When? This evening?
Yes, this evening, and it's locked down, and I have transferred her to the Demantown police station.
So what? So who's this calling?
This is Nathaniel McBean from Waltham Supermarket.
Oh, so what she think?
5 boom, 3 bunning. 5 boom, 3 bun and cheese. Is that right, Nathaniel? Yes. And about 6 other items. No, this is certain. Isn't your daughter Dainelle Davis or Danielle Davis? Yes. Yes.
You have 1 minute remaining on this call.
Okay, I just wanted to inform you, Mr. Davis. You can call. I think you can call her because she has a one-way call. I think you can call her number by now.
So where we have to know?
Okay, so what you need to do is come by the station tomorrow morning to collect her, but it's locked down now, so they're having her for some questions, you know, for her actions. Because she's now 18, she's eligible to go to prison.
So we would have to pay the money or what?
Yes, you'll have to pay, but I'm not really certain what they're doing up there. But as I said, you're supposed to can call her at this time.
Alright.
Okay, nice speaking with you, Miss Davis. Please take care. Auntie, me, I don't know what you saw. You might go call me. I forgot to put on the. Guys, the camera died and him literally call me. Daddy, call me. Shh. Daddy.
Hey, Daniel.
Yeah.
Awam.
No.
Eh?
Me don't know.
Where is it?
Me don't know.
Eh?
Me don't know, Daddy.
Come here.
I'm afraid.
Eh?
I'm afraid.
When are you here?
I'm afraid.
Where is it?
The Manton police station.
So, you talk to them, what?
No, yeah, let me tell. She come, but I'm afraid for answer. She come, but I'm afraid for answer.
You ain't giving talk to them,
What's up in them ear? Auntie, come. Ima come back. Daddy? What you say?
Let me talk to one of them.
They might treat me like dog up here, Daddy. Them go around this and lift me in the room.
Yeah, but can the phone give them and we talk to them?
I can't come out. Just call her to do it, she, please.
Where is it, no, Baba?
Auntie, when I pay and listen. When my father call it, I laugh. Don't put him down, idiot. I'm not very good boy, stop now.
Me a laughing at this man a coming, you know.
Makani?
See the man a coming.
Go on, go back.
Grass man.
Rochelle, I'm a father, no matter do.
So I hear from Dainelle?
Man, you say, what police call me because they didn't get locked down?
What you mean police call you? What you talk about Swaggy?
Said Daniel must go tease up in a supermarket.
What?
Said Daniel must go tease up in a supermarket.
So how Dainelle forgot to do them something there? What kind of disgrace show and call long pan way?
I don't know if I 2 hours or 1 hour, but I don't know what she said. She said she don't know the man police station.
But she's not right here. I'm going to call down there now. I'm going to go down there. And I lock down, so I'm going to reach down there.
I don't know, because I would like to know what it was. But I don't know, I just come from work and swipe her the number call.
Oh boy, I can't tell them something. I know I have to tell my father. I can't do it, you know.
Yeah, because she said they have her down there in one room, so we want you to go to get her out tonight.
Alright, I'll call my brother and see what I can get done. But Daniel an idiot. What shall I go and pick up them something upon her head for? Eh? She's not desperate and in need of anything.
You know that me I say?
Oh man, the girl need a pad cover over her head. It's a pad cover she'll get. She practice early though. She practice real hard. I never know so them something could have happened.
That's why when she left yard.
She left the yard from 3 o'clock today.
And she not tell you no more she go.
She told me say she, you know, say actually she said she go downtown go pick up something. So I don't know if I did you should have go meet downtown or her friend, but she does say she'll leave and go pick up something. But me think so should have reached back in here a long time.
Well, I don't know what the police have some guys saw the number private, so I don't know what, but I don't know if I lie or what, but me call her, they say me can call her, I'm going to call her. She a ball and I say, I don't know what I said to you.
But police number not supposed to private neither, huh?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, man, I just call my brother, man. I forgot to tell daddy this, man. I know what I got work out still in the swaggy.
Yeah, because them say, like, I'm going to be the supermarket which is there and wall or like, for the station which they have her.
Oh, okay. So, what she say, what them say she take? Oh, you not talk to them, what she take?
What's it, boom, and some more, something they say she
Boom?
take.
She lose it? Boom?
Boom, and some more, something she then say.
No, she don't. Them tell you that or she tell you that, cause she not drink. What? Boom? So now they in a Christian, you know?
Like that.
Oh, what kind of devil take over this little girl? Alright, I'll call my brother and then we have to go down there.
You know what to get back to me, because I'm not going here, you know.
Alright, cool it. Tell the man say I prank don't call up my phone, yeah? The man don't figure out either, man. I don't know if I prank her.
I can't back now. I give him 2 minutes. I'm a ball. Guys.
And put me in the prank. Jesus.
Hello?
Daddy.
Eh?
It's a prank.
Please check to ensure.
You might come back. Credit all done, people. Me can call him on WhatsApp. Don't, auntie.
What?
Call him on WhatsApp now, don't.
Yeah, tell him on WhatsApp, man.
Daddy, I got course. And what do I do? We do you good? It's a call and look like I'm not on a service. Why you boy? Why you do it? Why you do it Dainelle? Nobody don't have no credit. I say, man, please call me. I don't know what I'm gonna get myself into. Don't know. But I mean, what is Dainelle, she bad. It's not Dainelle, it's a candy right here, so. I wasn't focusing. Alright, so I'm saying, please call me. I don't know how this is a girl. I don't know if I will call back or anything like that. But I know I'm vexed because I'm going to call back. Daddy, I come back, guys. Daddy? I plan to kill more. You know, Daddy, I do not. I do love you. That's why I do this with you. Because you get me, you understand me. Because you get me and you understand me. So that's that. I try to come back now because I know I'm that way. If I'm looking for that, like nothing can come between us. I'm gonna call him. I literally stopped. Why are you so easy to get distracted? Anyways, I literally just a while ago and decided to text my friend, so easy distracted. But I'm going to call him back now. Daddy? Where is it now? No, I'm just I want video model. Me I can edit it right now, I'm send it to you. Alright, when I'm done edit it and something, you get it. Say hi YouTube. Say keep it real with Dainelle.
Keep it real with
Alright, later. See, get yourself a daddy like mine. He's not upset. He's chill. That's how I'm continue to do it. I'm gonna know I can't catch him again after this.